Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you know you're just stopping by for the very first time, welcome. Please click the subscribe button down below. So today's video is a no makeup look. If you like to see how I created this, keep watching. So first off, I went in with my Gunu Effect Rose Water just to hydrate my skin, after which I'll be going in with Flawless Ivy foundation. It's from a Nigerian brand, and I'll be using a Beautylinebydidi Blending sponge to blend the foundation into my skin. So I had to speed up the process of this video just so we don't sleep here. Just so it's, not too long. So I'm going back into my Gunu Effect Rose Water to set my foundation, and then I'll be going into concealing. I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn to highlight my face, and then I'm going in with that same beauty blender to blend it in. This beauty sponge is the truth, man. It's super soft. I've had it for so long and it does the job amazingly. If you need to get yours, go check them out on Instagram. It's at Beautylinebydidi. Just look at that blend. Oh my god, what? Oh Lord. Now I'm using the lightest shade of Milani powder, that's medium, to highlight the places to set the places that I highlighted basically. And after which I'll be going into Flawless Ivy powder palettes to set the rest of my face. And that's it. So I'm just cleaning up the lip balm I had applied, and now I'll be going in with lip gloss from Zaron Cosmetics, another Nigerian brand. This is the lip gloss in Sugar Plum. It is amazing. Makeup, where? Makeup, nowhere. So now we're going in with mascara from Ferrarici Cosmetics. This is another mascara that is the bomb. It is amazing. I know I've been saying amazing, but they are really amazing products, and they make your work easy. They get the job done so easily. And this mascara is the truth, man. It volumizes like I don't know the word to, I don't know the adjective, but it's amazing. Let's just keep saying amazing. Amazing. It's really nice. And voila, we're done. Done. Look at that skin. Look at that skin. Can your skin pop like this? Can your skin ever? That's about it on this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you.